Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Ambassador of Morocco, His Excellency Mr. Wadia bin Abdullah. Thank you for coming and visiting our campus today. Hope you enjoy it. Rector of Tadulako University, Professor Dr. Insinyur Haji Amar ST MT Ipo ASEAN Engineering. Distinguished guests.
Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and beloved member of Tadulako University community. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, I extend to you a warm and helpful welcome in this special visit. It is my great honor and privilege to stand before you today to extend warm and heartfelt welcome to His Excellency Wadia bin Abdullah, the esteemed Ambassador of the Kingdom of Morocco of the Republic of Indonesia, and Mrs. Gazalena Elvila Birotbi and Bapak Soni. Yes. Your Excellency, we are deeply honored by your presence here today, and it is with immense pleasure where we can build bridge or cooperation, tolerance, and enlightenment. Our university has always been an advocate for diversity, inclusivity, and academic excellence. We take pride in nurturing a vibrant community of the students and scholars from around the world. Your presence here today further increase our academic landscape. Your Excellency, Indonesia and Kingdom of Morocco share common aspiration for peace, development, and prosperity. As an intercession of Your Excellency, present here today underscores the importance of the relationship, and we look forward to working close with Morocco in various fields, including trade, culture, education, and technology. We hope that your time, which will be marked by fruitful discussion, cultural exchange, and lasting friendship. We look forward to development that your diplomatic mission will bring to Tadulako University. Thank you for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much. Rushdie, when we were speaking in Jakarta about the province, one of the matters he was insisting is the education, his cooperation in education. And really I thank him for that, because Morocco and Indonesia, we work a lot in this. You asked me how many years I'm here. I'm here since 7 years. When I arrived, Morocco was giving 15 scholarships to the students from universities to go to Morocco. And France, Indonesian France, also the Association of Students, Indonesian students, former Indonesian students in Morocco. Here it calls Himami. I push my ministry and we make it 30 scholarships since 2 years ago. And maybe it will be more in the years coming. I'm working on that. So, but from Palu, no one. The first thing. I'm architect also, and you know in architecture, no need big speeches, just go straight. Really, I would like that Palu and University Tadulako can send students in the exchange program. It can be in this program of scholarship, but there is not only that one. You can have direct cooperation with Moroccan universities and having this exchange of students. And the exchange is not in the students, it's also professor exchange. So you can send a professor who can go for 1 year, for a few months, for the time you... it depends on the agreement. But please, allow me to say one thing. It must not be just thinking. You must do it. And it's not, the bureaucracy is everywhere in the world. It's everywhere. So go through the bureaucracy and insist, you will arrive. Since I am here for helping, I am here for making good connectivity. So please don't hesitate to ask me to push also. But you must find the university you want. I can come here and tell you, yes, you can cooperate with this or this or this university. But really, as ambassador of the kingdom, I'm representing all the country. So I cannot say this one is better than this one. Better, the net is here. You can see by net also what are the faculties. They can cooperate together. You choose your university, and we can begin like that. So just give me 1 or 2 universities. A lot of universities are working with Morocco, and there is a big exchange, professors, students. So I hope next period will be also Tadaraco University. Inshallah. Also, don't hesitate to go to the delegation and to go there. Don't keep only your computer. Maybe getting a ticket flight is better.
Free visa?
Yeah. As you said, Professor, we share a lot of things together. Historically, I always say that since Ibn Battuta came here, he opens the door. He's big in the 14th century. Now when he came here, he said, come to Indonesia, and from that time, many ulama come to Indonesia. Say Ali Moghrabi, who is one of the 13 Assassida who entered Islam in Indonesia. One thing many Indonesians don't know it, that Imam Bonjol also is of Moroccan origin. And of course, President Sukarno was a lover of Morocco. He visited Morocco 2 times. And we still have, when we will go to Rabat, they will make you visiting the Avenue Sukarno, which is a big avenue in the capital city. So, really, you will appreciate the country. Moroccan people love Indonesian people. We feel close to Indonesian people. Even geographically, we are very far, but there is a feeling, special feeling. So really, absolutely. And also academically, there is a lot to do. We have a lot to learn from each other. Now there are also technical and medicine studies, very advanced. Don't stay only in Sharia. We need also other things. Thank you very much. Thank you for your warm welcoming. And if there is any question, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
They are here, the members of the higher management people at the universities consist of vice rectors and the Senate, head of the Senate and the vice rectors for finance, so he has a lot of money. And he can buy the ticket to Morocco. And vice rectors for students affairs and also alumni, and the head of the research and outreach centers, and the dean of the public health faculty, and several other deans, sitting behind. Actually initiated long ago in 1963 already, so long ago. So we have 11 faculty, teacher training and education, which this faculty is the biggest. Yeah, the team is just joining us. Yeah, this is the biggest faculty actually. So consists of around 30 culture, social politics, engineering, where my rectors and the vice rector for academic, both of them are belong to these two faculties. And so others are belong, forestry, medical sciences they have, and the public health. The medical science, besides as a team, he is also a practical doctor. Small and medium business enterprises in Central Sulawesi or in Indonesia. So we can sharing and vision are working on this. And because that we university, I mean that throughout the world, we asked to participate in the so-called the sustainable development. So perhaps also working together on those miserable topic in the world like climate change and also poverty and food availability on those things. And we also are very welcome when from the business would like to work together to improve the infrastructure of the university, like student YC, Islamic Center, Business Center, excellent research facility, supercomputer, sports center, many areas to work with together. If there are some investment, would like to work together, investor to do investment at the Tabernacle University on boards, much welcome. And to wrap up the presentation, I would like to use the time to So this is what we wish to be in these 4 years. So that the new
kabelnya goyang ya nggak kelihatan dilipat yang kena
you know that in these 2 days of your visit
kabelnya
so Central Sulawesi are the largest in the furniture industry, so you know, is it the normally? Not yet, right? Okay. Next, because you have to fly, yeah? That's good. Next. So you're one of the biggest industry. And these industries, of course, altering the landscape, because we're cutting down this open mining. So, and the area partnership in research is also be able, because we also building the technology for agro-mining. So through the agro-mining, actually you can plant a special plant and harvesting them, and you can collect nickel, in fact. So this can be continue working together, and we are successful actually to, so in 100 gram of dry basis, S is contain the kinds of 25% of nickel, the ore. So it's a quite promising technology. So when we can work together to make it become reality, having like the agro mining is one of the modern research, mostly in the United States at the moment. But one of the problem is like they're having mostly like having And the building has still stayed there and not yet rebuilt, in fact. Yeah, it's still as it is. Not yet. The reconstructions are going very slow, in fact.
Very, very slow.
He bought a hotel. The auditorium is rebuilt already. This one is finished. Yeah, that one is the nice one. It's present the faculty of the church. So. Yeah, so for lecture, yeah, but it's combined with tsunami and also liquefaction, so which is very rare, right? In one earthquake, usually earthquake, but when you three combinations, so you totally die. You have the three blessings in once. That's true. That's true. Yeah. So thank you so much for the opportunity, the time, and we are wishing Your Excellency and Madam Gazlena and also Mr. Tommy, and also my company by Andri. Yeah, by Pak Andri also they're having enjoyable visit here in Tadulako as well as in Central Sulawesi, and be blessed by the God for the coming activities. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your presentation. Just some reflections concerning the question. First, because we share the same vision of Islam, open Islam, Islam of Wasatiyya, Islam which is peace and love, and not what we can see through the world. So, in that we can work on that also. And as academics, you see that we give the compass. We just, as ambassador, I give you my feelings. Not this first. Second, just student from Morocco coming here. Do you have campus of students? Student housing?
Yeah, that's right. We have student housing, but at the moment not many rooms are available because we actually having one special building for international students totally collapsed and still need to be rebuilt. Yeah, so we have at the moment running dormitory, but not many rooms are available. But soon perhaps. But when the students are coming, of course we can put them in the high priority. I mean, then this is not a problem, so we can arrange something like that, right?
No, because this is.
Yeah. Yeah, we have from Vietnam, Thailand, as well as from East Timor, the Timor. Also for short-term summer school to the mining site, and also to study tropical forest biodiversity, summer school for 3 months, or even short school masters. But for the bachelor, we only have geology study, something like that. So geology partially also, geophysics. So partly the subjects are related to mining, something. I think this is a great opportunity to work together on this mining topic. So that students or even the staff doing research on the area and can impose to the mining area to see the mining area. So, but it's quite far from here. But we're also having a second campus, the satellite campus over there. There are also some room they can stay as well. So this is good enough here. And regarding the Islamic Center or the partnership, in that we have not many partners from the Islamic country, in fact. And this is actually a shame for the whole Indonesia, I would say. Yes, because Indonesia, I think we are not acting like, not very favored with the American side, United States, but on the ground that the partnerships are strongly connected to the United States and Europe and Australia, and not really how to say that, collaborate together with many of the Islamic Islamic countries. So I think this is a great opportunity to work together and bring more science and technology development to the border country. So when we go back to the history, I think many achievements in science, technology, as well as in art and culture belong to the Islamic time, right? To the Islam time. So perhaps this is also the decade, like to transform and working together more, like to rebuild and transform and putting more effort by both countries and the university, of course, in the lower level, to work together to make it that possible and accelerate, right? So I think this is a great opportunity. Yeah. So thank you so much.
Energy for our universities. I think we can collaborate with that because we know Morocco famous for solar energy.
Collaboration with but private universities, of course, as private universities, but they try to find for example, you are speaking about the energy, developing their own energy. Hotel, for example, you use it 1 month for the staff or the students until you rent it because you have lands when you said that you have lands. I was thinking to that, yes. No, that's it. Yes, that's the point. Yeah. And still working, never stops. And that university, I know that they have agreements with some universities in Indonesia also. So maybe it's good to...
But the university is general university. I mean, not Islamic university, but general university.
Before it was general university, now it's Islamic.
Yeah.
Because, yes, you have that there, the oldest university in the world. Built in the 8th century, it was built by a woman.
Oh.
Connecting directly with them, but copy to this center. Why I say two universities, maybe Islamic studies, you can study.
Ismail is the leader.
Sekali lagi, 1, 2. Oke.
Our forestry.
Casablanca. I see.
Tuya wood.
Ada 31 katanya begini.
Special from Morocco. Thank you very much.
Ini
Ya,
ini
ini
kayak
Pak
di
Kumnya mau.
ini Pak kan dulu kalau ditaruh air baru
Lagi 1, 2.
Baik, Bapak Ibu mohon perkenan kita foto bersama terlebih dahulu.